Are you looking for the best shocks for your Dodge Ram 2500 diesel? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take a look at the best shocks for this popular truck and why they're such a hit with drivers. We'll also give you a few tips on how to choose the right shocks for your vehicle and how to install them properly. So let's get started. List number 1, Bilstein 5100 set of monotube gas shock absorbers. Bilstein's 5100 monotube gas shock absorbers are designed to deliver the performance expected from a full-size pickup or heavy-duty pickup. The patented digressive valving and 5100 monotube design enables the 5100 shocks to maintain constant control at all times. On or off-road, loaded or unloaded, this set of BDS 420W8 shocks instantly react to changing road inputs to maintain a stable, controlled, and comfortable ride. The 5100 monotube gas shock absorbers for 0312 Dodge Ram 2504WD give you a choice between 3 levels of damper stiffness, offering you with enhanced comfort, control and performance. Designed for the toughest environments and best-in-class steering control, Bilstein's 5100 shocks feature a patented digressive piston rod design with external coil mounts to handle pressures from 300 psi up to 8000 psi. All necessary washers, bushings and nuts included. Factory shock mounting bolts are reused for installation. List number 2, Bilstein 5100 monotube gas shock set. This Bilstein 5100 monotube gas shock set 2003-2010 for Dodge Ram 3504WD is designed for use on 4WD V8, V10 or V8 diesel engines. All necessary washers, bushings, and nuts are included with the set. Bilstein's limited lifetime manufacturer's warranty protects against defects and premature failure. Nothing beats a set of Bilsteins for your Dodge Ram 3504WD. This Bilstein 5100 monotube gas shock set 2003-2010 fits many Ram models with 4WD including the Dakota, EFI, Durango, EFI, Express, and SRT10. The shocks feature the highest quality components with top-notch quality, performance and durability. All necessary washers, bushings, and nuts are included with this kit. There is no need to cut off OEM shock mounting bolts if you want to replace them with new ones. This kit installs in minutes with factory hardware reused for installation. With its set of monotube gas shocks, you know that you can trust this suspension to deliver its ultimate performance and long life. List number 3, Bilstein 24186063 front shock for Dodge Ram. Bilstein B6 4600 shock absorbers are designed as a direct fit upgrade to OE shock absorbers on stock height light trucks and SUVs. These shock absorbers feature a monotube design which provides consistent fade-free performance. B6 4600 shock absorbers utilize a unique, velocity-sensitive, digressive piston which reacts to changing road conditions. All B6 4600 shock absorbers are tuned for each specific application to ensure optimal performance is achieved. This shock is designed for use on stock height light trucks and SUVs. It is a monotube design which provides consistent fade-free performance. The unique digressive piston reacts to changing road conditions. All B6 4600 shocks utilize a velocity-sensitive valve assembly that acts as an intelligent sensor triggering precise settings with each application according to brand specifications. The B6 4600 valving delivers a higher level of ride quality, handling and comfort which can quickly be felt at the steering wheel thanks to an increased ability to efficiently absorb bumps and small road irregularities without sacrificing brake modulation or body control. List number 4, Bilstein B8 5100 monotube gas shocks rear pair. The Bilstein B8 5100 monotube gas shocks are designed for our customers who demand the highest quality, performance and reliability in their vehicles. Using a single tube design, these shocks use an innovative digressive piston design to allow for rapid heat transfer between oil in the shock and body of the shock. This approach helps extend shock life by reducing heat build-up within the shock body and thus extends durability. The B8 5100 is ideal for street applications like spirited driving where off-road traction is not necessary. Whether used daily or in extreme off-road conditions, this shock works hard without fail. The new 5100 series gains some of the best features of its predecessor, including 46mm digressive piston, single-tube body design for rapid heat transfer to reduce shock fade, and an increased spring rate. The result is increased road handling benefits from greater ride height control, improved handling in tougher situations, and off-road capability through improved traction between the tire and ground. List number 5. Rancho RS 5000X Gas Shocks Set Dodge Ram 2500. The Rancho RS 5000X Gas Shock is a lightweight and powerful surmount to your level 6 or 2 shocks, designed for use with the Rancho APZ2 and 3 Series 2-3 air springs. The new series of shocks features a gas-pressurized, air-based technology with or without a front mount. This proprietary process developed by the ride engineers at Rancho will elevate the overall handling and performance of your vehicle on and off-road. The RS 5000X Gas Shock combines enhanced performance and value with top-tier off-road capabilities that are ideal for all users. The twin-tube, gas-pressurized shock with a 2¼ inch diameter body provides an impressive balance of durability, performance, and price. This shock is gas pressure regulated to 175 psi to ensure the precision and accuracy needed to tackle tough terrain. Built on the foundation of Rancho's patent-pending core processes, it features a truly unique valving system and accurate spring rate with external adjustment preload capability available through auxiliary tuning shims. The shock allows you to adjust your vehicle's suspension according to your driving style and terrain conditions.